Hey guys, it's me, Brian McCall, back getting a review, and today I'm going to be unboxing this. I haven't opened it yet, so yeah, I just got it in the mail just there now. So yeah, I'm going to unbox it. It's the fidget cube right here. Yeah! Alright, I'll open it. I'd expect to be like something inside it, but there's nothing really. Yeah, let me see something. So here it is. Button will this yes. These click. This is supposed to help me concentrate in school because it's like fidget. It's quite loud. So I'm gonna be fidgeting it with this part, these parts. I think I'll do this. Just moves. I'm not sure what this part's for though. This part, there's just completely flat right here, as you can see. So yeah, it's the fidget cube. Sorry, this is like a really short video, but yeah, I'm just unboxing that. Yeah. So I see these headphones right here. Do not buy them. In my last video, do not buy these because as you can see, there's a bit in here, this bit right here, where you can sort them all out. You can sort them all out to put if your ears are different, you put the part on and it's like bigger or smaller. But I just tried to put it on and I just pulled the part out. I think it was this part. No, it wasn't that one. It was this one. Yeah, everything, and it just completely came off. As you can see, that was really easy to take off right there now because I already pulled it out and I just put it back in like that. This one's like that. You can't get that one out unless you like. Last ones I had, they were orange, right, and they were stuck behind the pillow, so I just wanted that there, and the whole thing just went. Wait, see if I can get it. Nah, just so they were still work. Oh, for God's sake, 1 second.
Oh, what are you watching?
Just make sure you took the right controller.
Yeah.